Building a brand online requires claiming your digital footprint before someone else does. Securing a consistent name across every major platform establishes legitimacy. But manually navigating to 15 different websites, creating test accounts, and plugging in your desired handle is tedious. It wastes hours of your time and kills your creative momentum. Because of this manual fatigue, creators often settle for fragmented names, using one handle for Instagram and a completely different one for YouTube, a mismatch that ultimately confuses your target audience. The MiniWebTool social media username checker bypasses this friction. It allows you to query over 15 platforms at once, requiring 0 logins or upfront credentials to operate. Consolidating these 15 disparate platforms into a single search allows you to evaluate your naming options all at once, rather than checking them sequentially. Step 1 is navigating to the MiniWebTool checker. Before you type anything, you need to format your query. First, your desired name should ideally stay under 15 characters, as legacy platforms like X enforce strict length limitations. Second, avoid spaces and special symbols entirely. These characters cause immediate query failures. Adhering strictly to these two formatting rules ensures a clean global ping without generating false negative results across the network. This disciplined input formulation ensures the diagnostic returns accurate results for every platform in the list. Next, execute the search. We'll start with a generic name to trigger responses from all 15 platform servers. Almost instantly, 15 separate servers respond to your single, centralized query, returning their availability data in real time. This generates a diagnostic matrix. Your first job is to identify the red taken indicators. Because we used a generic name, you can see a high rejection rate. This maps out exactly which platforms currently block your brand expansion. A unique query will look the opposite. Instead of red crosses, you will see a clean board filled with green available indicators. This matrix provides an immediate visual of the specific platforms that are currently unavailable for your brand rollout. You will likely find that your primary name choice is already taken on major platforms like TikTok or Instagram. To resolve this, iterate on the name. Appending a professional modifier like HQ, official, or app often bypasses the blockage. This iteration strategy allows you to find a consistent, registrable path across all nodes in the matrix. Keep in mind that MiniWebTool is exclusively a scanner, not a domain registrar. Using the tool does not reserve the name. The final phase is manual registration. You must navigate to each cleared platform and finalize the signup before another user claims the handle. Confirming that a name is open is only the first half of the process. It is not yours until the registration is complete. Using this powerful tool collapses what used to be hours of tedious manual data entry into a single, comprehensive, seconds-long audit. Once you find a clear name, register it on every available platform, including secondary ones like GitHub, to prevent others from claiming it later. Leaving these profiles unclaimed creates a vulnerability for impersonation as your brand grows. Subscribe to the channel for more tactical tutorials on free operational tools. By auditing your handle across the full suite of platforms, you can ensure that your audience finds the same name wherever they look.